Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Mission Net Physics Exam. And guys, today in this video I'll be discussing about the steps you can follow which will help you to score good marks for your CSIR Net Physics exam, Gate Physics exam and other similar exams preparation. So mostly students are going to face this difficulty or the issue they are going to have regarding the preparation part, that what they need to follow and what should be done to score good marks and to have good rank in the exam. I hope if you are going to watch this video till the end and you are going to follow the things I'm going to suggest you, the steps I will tell you, so in that case you will be able to see the difference in your confidence level and the way you are doing the preparation now and the way you will be doing the preparation with this process. You will see that it's going to make a great difference in the way you are able to recall the formulae, you are able to relate them with the questions and all. So what are these things you have to follow? Let's talk about it. But before proceeding further, if you're new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, then you can subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video, and you can click on the bell icon too, so that you will be getting the notification regarding the new videos and the important information I'll be sharing here in this on this channel. Now let's continue the discussion. So basically guys, I'm going to give you an example which will be helping you to make your short notes, and these short notes are going to help you to solve the questions quickly. That means time management. Clear? So how to save time in the exam, and wherever it's possible we should try to do it because it's important, and by saving time at different places or in different type of questions we can have more time remaining for the new questions, difficult questions, lengthy questions. So how to solve the question, you will get to know about that. How to relate the concepts with the questions, you will be able to get that too. Now, if I'm going to talk about the next important thing, that is how to recall or relate the concepts with the question. Clear? So that part you will easily be able to do with this process. Another thing is you will be able to solve more number of questions, means you will be able to score good marks. So it's going to help you to solve questions, relate concepts with the questions, recall the formulae, concepts, tricks and all with the questions, as well as it will be helping you to score good marks. So I hope that all the things are gonna get solved, all the problems are gonna get solved basically with this thing. So what you have to do, you have to take a notebook. I will be suggesting you one thing here, that is that you should take a notebook having enough number of pages in which you can write or make the notes of all subjects, so that you will not have to carry 10 or 9 different notebooks with you if you want to do the revision and all. So this is a suggestion for everyone, that if you can have a notebook which will have enough number of pages, make the partitions. If you are having 9 subjects, try to make the 9 different partitions there. And if you want to keep one section for what, for the general basic common formula of maths, because maths is involved, then we solve numericals and all. So we need some theorems, we need some simplified expressions. So you can just work on that part too in the same notebook. Now what you have to do, for example, any one subject you are going to start solving or you are preparing it, clear? So what you have to do, you are having a topic you are preparing in that subject. I am taking the example of classical mechanics part right now. And it can be any of the other subjects, even if you are doing the preparation for any such a stream where classical mechanics is not a subject for you. So any example you can take. Now what we have to do, I will be considering a topic here. Done. It can be any topic. For example, I am going to talk about the small oscillation part. Clear? Now in the small oscillation part or the stability analysis part. Clear? Let's continue with the stability analysis right now. So what are the different type of questions I can expect? It can be done like once you have completed a topic, you have worked on the previous year questions related to that topic. After that you can come back to the formula notebook or the short notes notebook, and then you can make notes in such a way, because you will have all the required data and the things there after getting the clear idea. So stability analysis part, let's talk about that. In this case, we mainly need to find what? Now if anybody is there who has prepared this topic, they will be familiar with this part, that they generally ask about the angular frequency, the time period, the general frequency, the stable or the unstable equilibrium point. Clear? Now in this case, what are the steps we take? We first of all find the equilibrium points. If V, that is the potential, is given, we find the equilibrium points by taking delta V upon delta x equal to 0. And if V is a function of x, then it can be done in this way. If V is a function of something else like R, so to find the equilibrium points, we will be equating the first order derivative of potential with respect to R with 0 to get the value of the R, or here x. Done. In that case, what will happen? This is going to be the equilibrium point, the value of x which we are getting here. Why? Because here we are familiar with this part, that the net force acting on the particle at the equilibrium point will be 0. So F is equal to minus, like you can write it in terms of the first order derivative of potential too. So in that case, that's how we are going to find the equilibrium point. Now next step is, after you find it out, you have to check out the stable or unstable equilibrium point. So for that, what should be done? Delta to V upon delta x square, its value at the different values of x you got here, you will check out. If at different values it's greater than 0, then this point which you got here, where you got the value of the second order derivative of potential greater than 0, this point is going to be what? Stable equilibrium point. And if this value at any of the points you got less than 0 for the second order derivative of potential, it means that point is unstable equilibrium point. So this is how you get the stable and the unstable equilibrium points. Once you got that, now if they have asked you to find the angular frequency at the stable equilibrium point, so omega will be equal to what? That is root k by m. What is k here? K is the second order derivative of potential at that point where you want to find the angular frequency, if it is any of the stable equilibrium point or anything like that. So this is how you reach to the omega part, that is angular frequency. That is, now if we want to find time period, that is 2 pi by omega, t is equal to 2 pi by omega. So you can see here we have talked about every required point, which means if I'm expecting any question from this section or any such thing has been asked, I can solve it or you can get the answer. And you know omega is equal to 2 pi nu. So if you have to just find the general frequency, omega value you can put here and find the nu value. This is how you can find it. Tell me if in case there is any doubt anybody is going to have till now. Okay, you can mention it in the comment section. One more thing now we can include here. When you are doing the preparation, you want everything at one place. What is that? If in your question they are talking about the central potential, they are talking about the angular momentum, so you can't start solving the question with the given potential. You have to write the effective potential there. So this point even you have to note down. I'm gonna repeat the point. If in the question they are talking about the central potential, circular orbit or angular momentum, you have to write the effective potential, that is j square upon 2mr square plus vr, given potential. Now further steps like finding the equilibrium point or checking out the stable or the unstable equilibrium point, okay, that all those steps, these are going to remain same. All the process will remain same. The only difference was this. What is j here? J is the angular momentum here, okay. So that notation has been given. V is the given potential here. So that's how you're going to get everything clearly. If I'm going to talk about the next thing now, what is that? I would even like to consider the next point, like it can be in continuation, it can be added, so that whenever you will get the question, it's gonna be easy for you to relate that what point should be used there to get the required data, to get the required parameter and all. But if you will not be able to recall any such thing, any such formula, it is going to be difficult to solve such type of questions. So the main thing is everything should be at the same place in a same topic or related topic. You can include it so that whenever you are going to solve any question in the exam, it's going to be relatable, it's going to be easy to recall, and that's how even your revision part will become easy. Okay, you can easily revise everything you are going to have. So this is how the things can be considered. Now tell me if in case there is any doubt. The next part is we can talk about is action angle variable. Now why this is required here, why we need to talk about here, so that is going to be J. Now if I'm going to talk about the J, that is PDQ. Okay, and T is equal to delta J upon delta what? E. Clear? And in this case, if you want to find nu, that is 1 upon T. Done? So if you will be writing the dependency of J on E and you want to find the time period dependency on E, so this process you have to use. And to get the J dependency on E, there is a trick. That is e to the power half you have to take all the time, and potential if it is given as alpha x to the power 6 and all. So get the value of x from here by taking v is equal to e upon alpha to the power 1 by 6. So e to the power 1 by 6 here. You have to take this e term if you just want that. If you want other terms too, like alpha as well, so you can write that as well. Done? So this is how J dependency on E you can get. And just since you want to find the dependency on E and such type of questions have been asked in the previous years, that's why I'm sharing this information here. So that's how you just have to differentiate this part with respect to E, you get the dependency of T on E. This is how everything can be done. I hope each and everything is clear to everyone now, guys. And if yes, that's great. This is a way of making notes. Nothing should be remaining, okay? Everything should be included in the part wherever you are noting down any topic related information and details. So this will be making the things very much clear to you. I hope you are getting everything clearly, and it is providing you the great idea about making notes and revising them properly, and it will be helping you a lot for GATE exam. All the like subjects, topics, whatever you are preparing, its revision is very important. If you are having good command on the formula part and everything, you are gonna do great. Now guys, we are going to talk about this part, that what are the different subscriptions which are available on the learning app and how they will be helping you to take your preparation to the next level. So guys, this is regarding the iconic subscription, and even now the notes are available on the learning app, so that will be helping you to do the best preparation for your upcoming exam. Same way here we are having all the details about the plus subscription. You will be able to check out the notes on the learning app itself. Along with the live classes by the top educators, you will be able to do the best preparation with these notes as well. Light subscription related information, difference between the plus, iconic and the light subscription. All these will be helping you a lot to take your preparation to the next level and to do the best preparation under the guidance of top educators. Even guys, right now a latest offer which is going on Unacademy, this is going to be valid till 22nd December. All the details about it have been shown here on the slide. You will be able to save up to 20% on your CSIR UGC net subscription, and you have to use and apply the referral code, that's Anjali A Live, as mentioned here on the screen, because so many new courses will be starting on Unacademy in upcoming days, which will be helping you to take your preparation to the next level, guys. So if you want to grab this offer, you want to get the discount and you don't want to miss it, then you can take the subscription and start your preparation under the guidance of top educators too. You can subscribe this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, to know about more important details, information and points which I'll be sharing here on this channel. So guys, I hope each and everything is now clear to every one of you, but in case if there is any question, query or doubt you will have, you can surely tell me about it. And you can take the Unacademy Plus or the iconic or the light subscription to get all these benefits as they have been mentioned here in the respective subscription part. And whenever you will proceed further to take the subscription, use and apply the referral code too. And if any of your friends were waiting to take the subscription, you want to share this information with them as well, you can, so that they will be able to grab the offer as well. Okay, let's keep it this much right now. Thank you so much everyone for joining this session and for watching this video till the end. Thank you.